everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are well at your home. I'm your teacher Rajni. Welcome to your ALGA class. Students, today we will do a new topic. Do you want to learn something new? Yes. Okay. So today's topic is we have to find odd beginning sound. We have to find odd beginning sound. In previous class, we have discussed about same beginning sound. But today, we will do odd beginning sound. So, let's start. First of all, let's read the heading. Circle the word with odd beginning sound. In each row, there are 4 words. In each row, there are 4 words. So, we have to find odd beginning sound. Some words have same beginning sound, but one word is odd beginning sound. Okay. So, let's start. First of all, we have to read these words. Let's start. Everyone read with me. Okay. Kite. Read with me. Kite. Lip. Lip. Kettle. Kettle. Key. Key. So, which one is odd? Yes, tell me. Right. Lip. Lip. Its beginning sound is lip. And other kite, kettle, key. This is lip. So this is odd one. So we have to circle it. So let's circle. Circle with me everyone in your notebook. Yes, right. So now let's see the next word. Yes, first one. Rain. Rose, right. Man. Man. Ring. So what is right? Man. So we have to circle it like this. Okay, very good. So now let's see the next row. So we will read these words. Read with me everyone. Okay. Nose. Net. Right. Nib. Nib. Now, which one is odd? Yes. Fish. Fish. So, we will circle it. Right. Okay. Very good. So, now let's see the next words. In the next row. Oil. Orange. Hand. Ox. Ox. Ox is an animal. Okay. Now which one is odd? Right. Hand. So circle it like this. Very good. So in the last row there are again 4 words. So we will read these words first. Okay. Read with me. Star. Star. Sun. Sun. Vase. Vase. Ship. Ship. So, odd one is right. Vase. So, we will circle it like this. So, today we did odd beginning sound. So, you all will write these words in your notebook and circle the odd beginning sound. That's all about odd beginning sound. So that's all for today. Stay safe and stay healthy. Use mask when you go outside and sanitizer. Goodbye.